The anchor windlass room is a vital part of U.S. Navy warships, housing the powerful mechanical system that controls the deployment and retrieval of the ship's massive anchors and chains. On aircraft carriers like the USS Gerald R. Ford, USS Nimitz, and USS Abraham Lincoln, this system plays a critical role in securing these 100,000-ton warships when anchoring is necessary. The anchors used on these carriers are massive, each weighing around 30 tons. The anchor chains are even more impressive, measuring approximately 1,440 feet in length. Every single link in the chain weighs about 360 pounds, and the total weight of the entire chain can exceed 400,000 pounds. These chains are made from high-strength steel, designed to handle extreme forces in harsh ocean conditions. On large U.S. Navy warships, the anchor windlass room is typically located inside the hull, near the bow of the ship below the main deck. This enclosed space protects the heavy machinery from the elements and allows for regular maintenance. However, not all ships have enclosed anchor systems. On destroyers, cruisers, and some amphibious assault ships, the anchor windlass and chain lockers are located on the exposed forecastle deck, meaning the anchor and chain are partially visible. The reason for this difference is that aircraft carriers require larger and heavier anchor systems, which must be housed internally to ensure safe operation and efficient maintenance. The enormous weight of the chain and the complex windlass system require an engineered space that provides structural reinforcement and easy access for crew members. The anchor windlass system is a powerful mechanical setup that ensures controlled deployment and retrieval of the anchor. It consists of several key components. Windlass motor and gearbox provides the mechanical power to raise and lower the anchor. Wildcat, gypsy wheel, a large toothed wheel that grips the anchor chain, guiding its movement. Chain stopper, a strong locking mechanism that secures the anchor chain when not in use. Brake system, a mechanical brake that controls the speed of the anchor drop to prevent uncontrolled descent. Anchor chain locker, a storage compartment where the anchor chain is kept when not deployed. When the anchor is dropped, the brake is released, allowing gravity to pull the anchor and chain into the water. The chain rushes through the Wildcat wheel, producing a deep, rumbling sound as tons of steel descend into the ocean. The moment the anchor reaches the seabed, additional chain length is released to ensure a secure hold, especially in deeper waters. The USS Gerald R. Ford features an upgraded anchor windlass system with advanced automation, reducing crew workload and improving efficiency. Meanwhile, the USS Nimitz and USS Abraham Lincoln use traditional hydraulic and manual windlass controls, still capable of handling their massive 30-ton anchors. These aircraft carriers typically have dual anchors, which provide greater stability when moored. A carrier's anchor drop is a powerful and carefully controlled event. When released, the anchor free falls into the ocean, creating a loud, thunderous noise as the chain rushes through the windlass system. The force of the anchor hitting the seabed generates a massive splash and sediment cloud underwater. If not properly controlled, a free-falling anchor can damage the hull or overstrain the windlass system, so brakes and chain stoppers play a crucial role in ensuring a safe and controlled drop. Aircraft carriers and other large warships rely on their anchor systems to secure their position during operations, maintenance, or in extreme weather conditions. Without these massive chains and windlass systems, even the most advanced warships would struggle to stay in position. The anchor windlass room is one of the most overlooked yet essential spaces aboard these ships, demonstrating the sheer power and engineering behind the world's most advanced naval vessels. Now that you've seen the incredible scale and mechanics behind the anchor windlass room, what do you think is the most impressive part of this system? Let us know in the comments. Now, sit back and enjoy incredible footage of anchor drops from various U.S. Navy warships, showcasing the sheer power and precision behind these massive systems.
700 yards to anchorage. 600 yards to anchorage. Go! POIC, break set!
I'm gonna pass this other team. You guys gonna drag it out. Hey, stand it up. Now push down right here, Chris. Right here. Pass down.